Okay, we're gonna count the Pusheen. When you know it, type it in the chat box or hold up your fingers and let me know how many you think there are. Ready? Go. Oops, go backwards. There you go. Count the Pusheens today. We count Pusheen and friends or just Pusheen?
Friends.
There you go. We always include friends, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Ah, look at this one. We have this one. We haven't even drawn this one yet. We need to draw this one. We totally need to draw that one. Well, all right, everybody grab your supplies. Let's get started. Let me clean off my desk. How can I find my desk? Remember doing this big cookie? Did you remember doing the cookie one? We've done the cookie one. Now, a lot of these are on my YouTube channel, and all of them are on keepdrawing.com. So if you ever see one that you want to draw, odds are we've already done that lesson and you can. Woohoo! Okay, how cool is that? I'm excited. Let's see here. Let's get started with our Pusheen fun today. Are you guys ready to bake up something delicious? Bake up something delicious. Ah, I love to draw Pusheen. Oh yeah. Okay, remember, if you ever need me to slow down or hold on a second, just hold up one finger and keep drawing, okay? You keep drawing and I will pause for a second, okay? Does that work? Everybody good with that? Okay, I'm gonna just use a regular pencil. I think it's pretty sharp, maybe not, a little bit. And my white piece of paper. Make sure you go to the middle of your paper or you decide where how you want to set up your creature on the page today, okay? I'm gonna leave mine right here so you can see what we're doing, and we're gonna draw on this side of the paper. How's that? Is that cool? Let me see if I can get my camera set up. It is being silly today. Silly. So let's see here. I'm gonna start at the top right here on this ear. Do you see this ear, what shape that is? A nice triangle. Okay, when we start to block in our character, we want to draw light and loose. Okay, we can always make adjustments, we can always change. Now, Pusheen is going that direction, okay, he's walking that direction. So we want to bring the forehead over and then draw another ear. Okay, the ears are pretty big because this is going to be a bigger Pusheen than we normally do. Yummy. Who loves pizza? Anybody have pizza for dinner? Jenna loves pizza. Kayla loves pizza. Yum. Yes, everybody got their ears all set. Now the back side, we're gonna just pull this down. Okay, I'm going out just a little bit and then decide how long you need Pusheen. Okay, you want Pusheen walking, so make sure we get the full length of that body. Beautiful. Now this side, we're gonna do the same thing. This side, we're curving out just a little bit, and then we're going to curve in, okay? Curve this in. Now, we've built the whole frame of the body. That's what we want. We will go in and add all this wonderful detail in just a second. That's why we love to draw with pencil. Okay, everybody have their cute little outline of Pusheen here? Good, perfect. Let's go to the bottom where we have the feet. I'm going to put a letter U on one side and a letter U just a little bit further over. This one, I want to kick it back just a little. Pusheen's really excited about cooking the bread. She's cooking bread today, so that's exciting. I wish my allergies weren't so bad I could smell the bread. What is your favorite kind of bread? I love cinnamon raisin bread. Ooh, Now, Pusheen has 3 stripes at the top. So let's put 3 little letter U's in this little area here. Okay, can you guys see that? I put 3 letter U's right there. Now this Pusheen is wearing a chef's hat. That is too cute. I'm just gonna put 2 lines right in between the ears. Okay, right in this area here. Not all the way to the top of the ear though, okay? I don't want it too tall. And then right on each side, I'm gonna put a backward letter C and the letter C over here. Like how I did that? Letter C, backward C. And then in the middle, we're gonna connect these with a big curve. And that's it. Now you have your chef's hat. Super cool. Pusheen is super happy. So for the eyes, I'm gonna go touch the ear. You're gonna drop down and we're gonna have the squinty eye with a little bit of a curve. Go over to the other ear, drop down. You're gonna do another squinty eye, just with a little curve. And between the eyes, let's do right in the middle, do a letter J. See how I did that? Do 1 letter J and then touch that and do a backward letter J. There you go. Easy peasy, right? Easy peasy. Now whiskers, I just do 2 little whiskers on each side of the face. So 1, 2, there you go. Easy peasy again. Now, what shape is this bread? Can you say oval? Perfect. So let's just look right underneath this mouth, and I'm going to draw a little line right here just to tell me where I want to draw my oval. Okay, so once I have my line, I can start curving the ends. Just round those out and then bring it together with another line. So now we've got our loaf of bread. Yum, yum, yum. Let's get rid of that line. Go ahead and clean that out. Now mine looks a little boxy. I'm going to round it out just a little bit more. Doesn't have to be completely perfect, but I want it to be looking like it's bread, so you want to eat it and you start drooling. For real. Let's put our 3 little bread lines on the top. So we're going to curve, curve, and curve. Got to split that bread before you cut it so it's got room to rise and let some of that heat out. It's got to bake. Sure, yummy. Now below the bread on this body part, I'm going to erase that line right there. Just a little bit, just enough so you can put your finger there. Okay, erase just enough so you can put your finger there. Now the bread needs to be on some kind of plate, right? So that way we don't burn our hands. We don't want Pusheen to burn our hands. So let's put a line underneath. Okay, just go underneath. And then we're going to wrap around the end and touch the bread on each end. That way we've got it on a piece of, or on a, not a piece of board, on a plate. Let's just put it on a plate. Good. Now the paws, the front paws are upside down letter U's. So you can say they're letter N maybe. So I'm going to just come over to the end here and I'm going to wrap that paw around right underneath that plate. So now she's holding it. Can she balance it with one hand? Can you balance bread with one hand? Oh, I might drop it. So let's put 2 paws there. How's that? So all the way to the other end, we're going to do the same thing. Put a paw underneath there. There we go. We did it. Phew. She is now handling things with care. She's doing a good job. For our really cute apron, you notice a line just going all the way across. Is it a straight line? No. See my straight line? If I straighten that out, our kitty cat would be flat. So let's take our line and let's go right under those paws, droop down, and then come back up. So now we've curved around, giving our body, our kitty cat body, shape. And since it's fabric, we want to, let's see here, I'm going to pull it away from her body, just a little, and then wrap it around and come back almost to the end. Almost to the end. Put one finger there so you remember, I don't want to go all the way, and then wrap it around and go up. I used my finger to help me. There you go. Then I can go back and clean up this. I'm going to shape up the bottom part of my body just a little bit more. I feel it's a little thick. She's too thick down there. That's silly. There we go. That's better. That's a little better. Looking above her. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, I feel better now. We need a tail. You see this tail? So put your pencil right at the bottom, and watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull out a line, curve it around, and touch. Let's curve the tail stripes. Ready? Curve 1, curve 2, curve 3, and curve 4. Everybody have your Pusheen cooking and making bread? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Let me show you a couple more while we catch up. We're going to eat a cookie. Anybody love chocolate chip cookies? Ah, chocolate chip cookies! What about a narwhal? Narwhal Pusheen? Are you serious? Who loves pancakes? Anybody love pancakes? We love drawing Pusheen, and we love drawing food. I think Faith likes pancakes, but who loves ice cream? Arjun loves ice cream. Okay, would you eat ice cream this color? No? Would you eat ice cream this color? What about this color? No, maybe. Okay, I don't know. Purple? Really? I did. It's called purple potato. Yeah, I don't remember the name of it. It's so good. Oh my goodness, it's so good. And who would eat yellow ice cream? Maybe, what flavor is yellow?
Banana.
Lemonade.
Lemonade. Oh, like lemonade sherbet maybe? Banana ice cream? What about pineapple? I remember having pineapple. Pikachu, Pikachu. That's so cute. Let's see here. Who has a backpack? Anybody have a backpack? Oh, I think I have a backpack. Yeah. Oh, look, it's my favorite color. Blah! That's funny. And who remembers doing this one? The Stegosaurus. Is this Stegosaurus? I know we have dinosaurs next month. Be careful. We're going to be doing T-Rex. Decorating a Christmas tree. For real, I drew it. I haven't colored it yet, but I drew it. Okay, I'm getting all these thumbs up. Is it everybody caught up? Everybody ready? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Let me see, where are my thumbs up? Give me thumbs up. You are ready to rock and roll. Let's see here. Now, to finish this, we're going to put a bow on the back so the apron doesn't fall to the floor, right? We don't want it falling. So start above your line, and we're just going to loop up, out, and back down. Okay, it sort of looks like a letter C. Got that? The letter C. And then we're just going to put a little crease in it. Simple, simple. And then the little ribbon coming down to tie it. So you just put two little curved lines and then connect them. Bye-bye, you did it. Very, very cool. You did it, you did it. Now, if you want to go ahead and start coloring, you can do that. If you want to draw the bowl with me, we can do that as well. I'm going to put a bowl right next to her. Hopefully, she's got a clean space and it's not really on the floor, but she is a cat. So we'll let her just have a bowl next to her on the floor. How's that? Deal? Okay, so I put my finger where I want my bowl. I have 2 dots. So I'm going to do a foreshortened circle, meaning my circle is squished or my eye sees it at a different angle. Okay, so I'm going to round these out, get rid of my dots. And where I just erased my dots, I'm going to pull down on each side the straight lines to create my bowl. I'm going to zoom in, that's kind of far away. There we go. And then round out the bottom of my bowl. Now, what's in that bowl? Probably bread, right? We're making bread. And let's see here. So inside the bowl, I'm going to do bumps going around because all this is dough. You want some dough in there, right? And then we need a mixing spoon. So I'm just going to draw 2 lines coming up, round out the top, erase what's inside, and then bump, bump, bump under there. So there you go. Now I have a bowl of, yeah, I think it's bread. We'll just leave it bread. How about muffins? She made bread. Now we can have muffins or cookies in there. So for coloring, let's see here. I used a warm gray for Pusheen because Pusheen is just like this weird gray brown, right? So if you've got a colored pencil or marker, that is the warm gray. I did it 2 layers of color. Okay, I used a brush tip. This is the brush tip. And I went over it twice. And then to get the darker spots, I went over a 3rd time and I created the stripes for Pusheen on her back. So I just tuck it behind that apron. See that? And then the stripes for her little head, I did with the same exact color. Okay, just used 1 color for all of Pusheen. And then the stripes on the tail, again, I just used the same color and went over it a 3rd time. Woo! That's a lot of times, right? So Pusheen, her apron and her hat are white. I did grab a little gray, a cool gray, a CG2 of my Ohuhu, and I just did some little highlights with my gray, okay? So that's how easy that is to do. Now I grabbed a brown and some weird brown for the plate. Some weird brown, I'm not sure what that one was. And for the bowl, of course, my BG, my blue-green 68, which is my turquoise blue. So excitement all the way on that one, right? Because we love, where's my camera? Here we go. Just because we love Thanksgiving, we love to cook, we have fun with our Pusheens. How many Pusheens did we count today? They're happening. Wow. Oh my goodness.